Thank you, Madam Speaker. Speaking against this bill today, and there's a whole lot of uns that go along with this bill. There are unintended consequences. We've recently learned that there are a lot of our ag lands, a lot of our farms are farmers, not rich people, but farmers who could get caught up and end up having to pay this tax. It's unfair. It treats like taxpayers differently, especially if you're a married couple versus a single. You end up paying the tax disproportionately. And so because it's unfair, I believe it's unconstitutional. It's unstable. And the Conference Committee report amendment doesn't really address the unstable aspect of it. While it does take some money and put it aside, it only takes the extraordinary revenue and puts it towards one-time spending. It allows most of the money to go for ongoing funding. And we know that one of the biggest risks of this and one of the greatest parts of its instability are the downside risks. So we're going to base certain programs being funded on a tax that the revenues are likely to drop, and there is no protection in the bill for it. It's unnecessary. We know historically the budget has assumed 4.5% growth. This budget doesn't, and then it replaces it with this capital gains income tax. So this really isn't necessary. If we use the historical approaches that we've used with the budget, then it wouldn't be necessary. The budget wouldn't need this. So on its face, the emergency clause is false because we don't need this to support state government or its existing institutions. And it's unpopular. We know the people have voted on this more than 10 times and opposed it every single time. So it's unintended, it's unfair, unconstitutional, unstable, unnecessary, unpopular, and because of the emergency clause, it's also unadvisable. I've got 7 uns up on my sheet here, so I think this is a very good reason to vote no on this bill today. Thank you.